There's a lot of impressive technology packed into a Tesla Model 3, but there's one thing that's missing. For such a futuristic car, you'd think it would have futuristic features for the device that everyone carries around, that being their smartphone. However, the Tesla Model 3 ships with standard wired charging with no wireless charging option available from Tesla at all. However, that is not going to stop me, and today I'm going to show you how simple it is to add wireless charging to your Tesla Model 3. What is going on, Tech Squad? Andrew Edwards here, editor-in-chief of GearLive.com. If this is your first time here, this channel is all about tech, gadgets, and gaming. So if you're into that kind of stuff, feel free to hit the subscribe button down below, along with the bell notification icon so you don't miss any future videos. And don't forget, we now have channel memberships live here on the channel, allowing you to get exclusive perks like early videos, discounts on the hottest tech, custom badges, custom emoji, and more. And by the way, big shout out to a couple of our new members, Zach Talks Tech and John Prosser from Front Page Tech. Now, as I mentioned, today we are adding wireless charging capabilities to my Tesla Model 3. Now, for me, it is kind of confusing that Tesla didn't add either wireless charging or ports that would support fast wired charging as options for the Model 3. Instead, you get wired USB, but they don't support fast charging. Fortunately, Nomad's new Tesla Model 3 wireless charger is here to offer an upgrade for your Tesla and get rid of the wires. Now, as the name implies, the Tesla Model 3 wireless charger from Nomad has been specifically designed to fit right into the Model 3's central console. It plugs right into the two front USB ports beneath the smartphone area of the Model 3. So instead of having to deal with the awkward wires and plugs in the Model 3, you can simply set your phone down to begin charging. Now, one thing to note, Nomad's wireless charger for the Tesla Model 3 supports Qi-enabled smartphones. So if you have an Android device that's Qi-enabled or a 2017 iPhone or newer, so just to be clear, that would be the iPhone 8, 8 Plus, 10, 10S, 10S Max, or iPhone 10R. If you have any of those phones, it'll work perfectly with the Nomad wireless charger. Nomad's wireless charger offers two 7.5 watt coils, which will allow you to charge two phones at one time at the 7.5 watt rate. Even better, the wireless charger also has an integrated 6,000 milliamp hour battery. That battery will store power that it pulls in from the USB ports and then use the battery power to charge your phones, which is a nice bonus because the battery can charge the phones at 2 amps while the USB cable charges at 1 amp. Here's a look at the installation process. You basically just need to remove the pad and wiring that came with your Tesla Model 3, along with that black piece that covers the charging ports. Then take the Nomad wireless charger and feed the integrated cables through the holes in the frame, then plug them into the USB ports. Fit the charger itself back into the frame, reconnect the black base, and you are done. All in all, believe it or not, installation takes less than 1 minute to do. As you can see, the Nomad charger has LED lights integrated into the charging pad to indicate charging status. If you see an amber light, that means the device is charging, and that light will turn white once it's fully charged. If you have a blinking amber light, that means the device isn't recognized and you'll need to remove it. The Nomad wireless charger has an anti-skid rubber grip, and just picking it up and holding it in your hands, it's very obvious that it's a solid, well-made product. I've been using it for just a few days, and I can easily say I prefer this over the awkward and cumbersome physical connectors. If you have phones that support wireless charging and you own a Tesla Model 3, I can say that the Nomad wireless charging unit is a must buy. Nomad's Tesla Model 3 wireless charger will eventually cost $149.95, but as of right now, you can get it for $20 less at $129.95 for being one of the first to order. Now again, as I mentioned, I've been using this for a few days. I like it a lot. It's much more convenient to just drop your phone in and start driving rather than trying to fumble around and find the Lightning or the USB-C connector. So my personal opinion, if you have a Model 3, you need the Nomad charger. If you want to pick one up, there will be a link down in the description below. But now I want to hear from you guys. Have you adopted and accepted the wireless charging future? Are you more about wired fast charging? Or hey, do you not really care one way or the other? Again, let me know in the comments below. I will meet you there for further discussion. Also, let me know, Tesla Model 3 owners out there, leave a shout out in the comments. Please do drop a like if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget, we have enabled channel memberships now where you can get things like early access to videos, exclusive tech deals, custom membership badges, access to custom emoji, and a bunch of other perks. Link down in the description below. As always, don't forget you can click or tap on my face when it appears right at the bottom of the screen in order to subscribe for free to the channel so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks so much for watching as always, guys. I appreciate your support. I'm Andrew Edwards, and I will catch you in the next video.